Hello artists, Miss Watson here. The purpose of this video is to model for you creating a Basquiat inspired composition. So I'm working in Sketchpad and I'm going to be focusing on the pencil tool, the paintbrush, and I'm even going to use the streamer tool. Now the first thing I want to do is make my background. Now, when we looked at Basquiat's work, we noticed that he had some blocks of color. He used a lot of cardboard and really tried to make the background almost look like it was a scrapbook. So I'm going to use the streamer tool and I'm going to turn the line width up. You can also use the fill if you want to have a little bit of a bigger area. And remember that when we looked at Basquiat's work, it was very playful. It wasn't done very neat. It was very active and expressive. So that's kind of what we want our background to look like. And I'm going to switch the color to maybe a lighter pale yellow. Almost like paper was ripped off the back. Kind of gives that ripped effect. And then I'm going to use my paint bucket to fill in the rest. I'm going to fill it in with kind of a gray. Now I'm going to go back to my tools and I'm going to use the paintbrush tool. I want to turn the blur all the way down so it's nice and crisp. Turn the line width down a little bit and I'm going to use black. I'm going to draw almost like a skeleton, but again, not very detailed, just kind of giving the shape. And I'll color it in. I'm not focusing on, again, being very neat and staying inside the lines because I want it to give that expressive look. You'll notice that I'm moving my cursor or my paintbrush very quickly. Give him some arms. Give him some legs. And now I'm going to go back over with the pencil tool, which is a little thinner. And I'm going to use a white. And I'm going to almost draw like the bones. Draw some eyes. Go back and maybe I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add a bright blue for the idea of eyes. And I'm going to give him some hair and make my hair red. I'm going to make it kind of curly and crazy. The idea with Basquiat is you just want to have fun with it. Even just doing some random lines. Let's get some green in there. Remember, he was very expressive. He wanted it to just be fun. It almost looked like a kindergartner would scribble it. Maybe get some yellow in there. And there I have my Basquiat inspired composition using the three tools: paintbrush, pencil, and streamer. I hope this video was helpful. I can't wait to see your compositions.